Today, I'm going to show you how to insert pictures in Microsoft PowerPoint, step by step. So you can make your slides more engaging and professional, whether you're building a school project, a work presentation, or something creative. Adding images the right way can completely transform your slides. Let's get started. In PowerPoint, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. From here, you'll see the Pictures option. When you click it, you'll notice three different choices. First, there's this device. Choose this. If you want to upload a picture saved on your computer, simply select your image file. Click Insert, and it will instantly appear on your slide. Next, we have Stock Images. This is a built-in library of professional, high-quality images, icons, cutout people, and even illustrations that PowerPoint provides. It's a fantastic option if you want eye-catching visuals without needing to search the internet. The third option is Online Pictures. This lets you search the web directly from PowerPoint and insert images without ever leaving the program. Just type what you're looking for in the search bar, pick an image, and hit Insert. Once your picture is on the slide, you can resize it by dragging the corners, reposition it anywhere on the slide, and even use the Picture Format tab to add effects, borders, or corrections. These simple adjustments can make your presentation look polished and professional in minutes. And that's it. 3 simple ways to insert pictures in Microsoft PowerPoint. Remember, the right images can make your message clearer, more engaging, and more memorable. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of my tutorials for practical tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.